Storytime Saturdays. I am very happy I get to read to you today. The book that we're going to be reading is called Blue on Blue. This was written by Dianne White with illustrations by Beth Krommes. Permission for the reading of this book was granted by the author, Dianne White. Let's get started. Cotton clouds, morning light, blue on blue, white on white. Singing, swinging, outdoor play, white on blue on sunny day. Clouds swell, winds blow bolder, weather changes, air grows colder. Gray on gray, dark and glooming, black on black, storm is looming. Thunder, lightning, raging, roaring, rain on rain on rain is pouring. Hounding, hounding, noisy sounding, dripping, dropping, never stopping. Never stopping, dripping, dropping, rain on rain on rain. Then winds shift, drops, drip, drip, drop, drip, drop, slowly, slowly, slowly. Stop! Sun sneaks back, warms the air, muddy, muddy. Everywhere. Sun sets, time to go. Moon rises, golden glow. Glitter stars, twinkling light, black on gold, on silver night. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story Blue on Blue. If you liked this read aloud, you might want to check out Goodbye Brings Hello. That's another book by Dianne White and a Mamafox Books, Storytime Saturday. In the book, there are lots of animals. Maybe you could watch this video again and see if you can write down all the different types of animals you see. Or if you don't know how to write yet, you could draw pictures of them. I hope you'll subscribe to this channel and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.